y'all. Okay, so we are going to talk about where to find training and basically the importance of training yourself. This is Bagheera, my little bow boy. He is wild. Y'all will probably see that in future videos, if not this one. Okay, so currently I'm on my workstation. Okay, so you log onto your workstation. This is going to be like a free source. All of the training that I do is free. But this is an easy way to find training, especially when you become a new consultant, okay? So I'm on the main page of our workstation. We're going to go down. If you look on the left-hand side, I'm going to scroll down. If you hover over everything, it'll tell you what it's for, okay? But this little graduation cap right here, this is the training center. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to take you here, okay? So you can literally just scroll through. Here's a new consultant training. You can talk about events, product training guide. You're gonna get a product training guide in your kit. As long as you got, most kits have a product training guide. If you join with like a super discounted kit, like a $15 kit, you might not get one, but you can definitely download it from your workstation, as you can see right here, okay? So you can click on that. Product training guide, I highly, like 100% recommend you go through, especially if you're not familiar with our products, because you as a consultant, you're now a business owner, okay? And it is your job to be an expert about our products, okay? Another really good way to train yourself on our products is to look up the FAQs, and all you have to do is, I can show you. So you guys can just browse through here to see what you want to learn more on, okay? You, as a new consultant, should be a sponge. You want to soak up everything you possibly can. And honestly, I'm 2 years in, and I'm still soaking up as much information as I can, because I'm still growing and I'm still learning something new every single day. Literally every single day, I'm learning something new. But if you are looking for the FAQ, literally just type in FAQ or whatever specific FAQ you're looking for, and it's going to pop up, okay? So any questions, so about our cleaning line, oils, diffusers, whiff box, anything like that, it will answer your questions, okay? So that would be the first line of, the first thing to do when you are searching for a question. I really want you to look for it yourself, and I say that not to be mean. I say it because if you start researching whatever your question is on your own, and then you learn that information, you are more likely to remember the information. You're more likely to remember the information instead of reaching out to your sponsor and saying, hey, what is this? And they telling you. You're going to remember it more if you learn it yourself, okay? So the other really good place to find training is going to be on YouTube. Boss Babe Basics on Chloe Cox's page, the OG Boss Babes. There are so many good things on there, but honestly, if you just Google or even YouTube what you're looking for, it will pop up, okay? So you can literally Google bag parties, home parties, Scentsy events, anything that you're looking for, Scentsy follow-up system, anything like that, it's going to pop up, and there's going to be so many different trainings from multiple different consultants, okay, worldwide, literally. I personally trained myself on the, of course, I just said it, on the OG Boss Babes channel, okay? I have watched probably every single training up there. So that is a really good one. And then another resource that a lot of people don't really know is out there is if you are in your director's Facebook group, okay, so your team page, if you go up into the search bar and you type in whatever you're looking for, if there's ever been a training or a post done about that subject, it will pop up. So you can narrow down the search by date or whatnot, but that is a really good resource. So training yourself is going to be the way to success, 100%. I 100% believe that. I have hit the top of the company in 2 years, and I truly believe that it's because, for one, I believed in myself and I was my biggest fan, and I knew I had a goal, and I knew nothing was going to stop me from hitting that goal. And in order for me to get there, I had to do hard things and I had to fall and I had to get back up. But one of the main things that I 100% believe got me to the top of the company and to where I'm at now, literally have left my nursing career. I'm still working once a month as a nurse, but I'm doing Scentsy full time. And the reason why is because I have trained myself and I have not stopped training myself. I have soaked up every piece of information I possibly can, and I'm still doing that every single day. I will literally Google whatever I want to learn more about, and I'm going to soak it up as much as I can. So, train yourself. I promise you and your business will thank you. So, you got this.